Everyone see the star be the binary operation in the set. Set is given 1 to 5 number. The set name is not given. I take the set name symbol is. So first, what is the fifth problem? I am going to write. Everyone observe fifth problem is. Everyone observe fifth problem. Okay. Right. Observe fifth problem. Everyone. Fifth problem is. Now it is clear now. Now it is clear now. Right. Fifth problem is. So everyone see star in the binary operation here. Set is given by the set name I am putting as a G. What is the G set is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set name is the G I am giving. Operation is given by star. Operation is given by star. Operation is given by star. So operation is the star is given. Fifth problem. Star dash is given. Star dash is given. Operation is. Star dash is given. Define. That operation is defined. A star dash B is equal to HCF of A and B. HCF of A and B. This is the given problem. HCF means highest common factor. For example, so one factors is a 1 into 1, two factors is a 1 into 2, three factors is a 1 into 3. In all three, what is the common factor is? What is the common factor? That is also number of times repeated. Number of times repeated. One is the common factor in all three factors, and it is also repeating number of times. It is also repeating. For example, 2 into 2 into 1, 2 into 2 into 1, next 2 into 2 into 3 into 1, and next 5 into 1 is given. In these common factor is the 2 also common factor and 1 also common factor, but 1 is repeated number of times. Therefore, 1 is the HCF. HCF means common factor repeated highest times. Repeated highest times. Okay, na? That is called HCF. Already you know the HCF. So nothing meaning. Just you will put this dash. Nothing meaning. But star dash means nothing meaning. Star only. Just you will give it the dash. That's enough. No meaning for that one. Okay, na? So here is a star operation dash. Star dash operation is defined by HCF of A and B. Okay, na? HCF means common factor of A and B we should be take. Common factor of A and B we should be take. Okay, na? Is it clear, everyone? Right. I will write. What is the HCF? I will write C. Table I am writing one. Operation table I will write. Operation table. Operation table I will take. So here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Downside also write down. Downside also write down. Should write down downside also. Here is the star dash. Star dash means HCF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it should be draw the lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Horizontal lines and vertical lines. It form as a boxes. It form as a boxes. Okay, na? So right, everyone see. Right, it should be clear, everyone. Now we can see 1 star 1, 1, right, everyone see. So here 1 and 1, 1 and 1 HCF, 1 and 1 HCF is the, what is the 1 and 1 have the common factor is the 1 only. 1 into 1. Right, see everyone. Everyone see, now we have to see, here is, okay, now audio is open now. Just it will be cut. Okay. Right, everyone see, Amma? Here is 1 and 1, what is the common factor? Your moods are, no mood. Now see, okay, na? No mood. Right, everyone see. Here, 1 and 1 HCF is 1 and 1 have the common factor. 1, see, 1 and this 1. 1 star dash 1. 1 star dash 1. Next, with the same one only. 1 star dash 2. Same with 1. 1 star dash 3. Same one with 4. 1 star dash 4. Let's same one with 5. 1 star dash 5. Okay, na? 1 and 1 common factor. What is the common factor in 1 and 1 is 1 only. Therefore, the HCF of 1 and 1 HCF is 1. And 1 and 2. 1 and 2 common factor, tell me. 1 into 1, 2 into 1. The common factor is the 1 only. Here also 1 is the common factor. 1 and 3. 1 into 1, 1 into 3. Common factor is the 1 only. So here is 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 into 1, 1 into 4. Common factor is the 1 only. Here also common factor is the 1. 1 and 5 common factor is the 1. Now write down 1 star 1 common factor is the 1. 1 star 2 common factor is the 1. 1 star 3 common factor is the 1. 1 star 4 common factor is the 1. 1 star 5 common factor is the 1. Okay, na? Right. Now we start with the 2. Vertical numbers take and horizontal number everyone you should be take. Vertical 2. 2 star 1. 2 star 1. Next 2 star 2. 2 star 1. 2 star 2. 2 star dash 3. 2 star dash with 4. 2 star dash with 5. 2 vertical number 2. All horizontal numbers we can take. Vertical number 2. So 2 star 1, 2 star 2, 2 star 3, 2 star 4, 2 star 5. Okay, na? Right, everyone see. 2 star 1. What is the common factor is 1 only. 2 into 1, 1 into 1. Therefore, common factor is 1. HCF of 2 and 1 is the 1 only. 2 star 2. What is the common factor is? What is the common factor is? 2 star 2. What is the common factor is? 2 star 2. What is the common factor? 1 also common factor, 2 also common factor. In that one, highest common factor is 2. 1 also common factor, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. So 1 also common factor, 2 also common factor. HCF means highest common factor. So highest, greatest common factor is the 2. Therefore, 2 is a common factor. 1 also common factor, but 1 is the least. But 2 is the highest. Highest common factor you can take. Okay, right? Right. 2 star 3. 2 into 1, 3 into 1. 1 is the common factor. 2 star 4. 2 star 4. What is the common factor is the 2. 2 star 5. 1 is the common factor. 1 is the common factor. Now write down 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Start with the 3. Everyone start with the 3. 3 star 1. 3 star 1. Common factor is the 1. 3 star 2. Common factor is the 1. 3 star 3. Common factor is the 3. 3 star 4. Common factor is 1. 3 star 5. Common factor is 1. 4 star 1. Common factor is 1. 4 star 2. Common factor is 2. 4 star 3. Common factor is 1. 4 star 4. Common factor is 4. 4 star 5. Common factor is 1. Right. 4 star 5. Okay. 4 star 1 star 5 star 1. 5 star 1 is the 1. 5 star 2 is the 1. 5 star 3 common factor is 1. 5 star 4 common factor is 1. 5 star 5 is the 5. Okay, na? Table is completed. So what he is telling the fifth problem is its operation star is the same operation defined, same exercise 4 problem table is came on, not came on. Exercise 4 table, exercise problem number 4 table CM. So 4 table is 1 1 1 1. So 2 1 2 2 1 2. Right. This is the same table of exercise 4. Yes. Same table of problem number 4. Problem number 4. Same table he is asking. Same table of problem number 4 different of. Okay, not different. Same number of table number 4. Problem number 4 table is came. See. 1 1 1 1 1 is came, problem number 4. 2 1 2 1 2 1 is came, problem number 4. 3 1 1 3 1 1 is came, problem number 4. 4 1 2 1 4 1 is came, problem number 4. So 5, every 5, all are 1, last 5 is came. Okay, na? So the same concept of the problem number 4 is came. Yes, same table of problem number 4. Yes, come to the sixth problem. Everyone, come to the sixth problem. What is the sixth problem is? See everyone, sixth problem is star is set is given, natural numbers. Set is a natural number. That is a 1, 2, 3 up to infinite numbers. Operation Operation E star is given. Operation star is given. What is a star is defined by A star B. A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. Already everyone know the LCM. So we have to know the LCM, everyone. Immediately should be work out the problem is the first bit. First bit is 5 star 7, 5 star 7 and 20 star 16. 20 star 16. Star is the LCM of two numbers, LCM of 5 and 7, LCM of 5 and 7, LCM of 5 and 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7 is the 35. Okay, na? LCM of 5 and now a star is defined of LCM of two numbers, LCM of so 20 and 16. So 20 and 16 LCM take 20, 16 LCM is. So 4 is a common cancellation, 5, 4. Again 5 is a cancellation, 1, 4. Again 4 is a cancellation, 1, 1. Multiplication 80 is the LCM. 80 is the LCM. Right. Second bit is commutative na, not a commutative na. Second bit, commutative. I will tell already. Commutative means immediately take one example. If it is true, write down the statement. Not true, only example is sufficient. So now sufficient is okay na? So everyone observe. Commutative means everyone observe commutative. What is the commutative is? So first I will take one example. What are the numbers? Natural numbers I will take. So for all 3 belongs to natural number and 5 belongs to natural number. 5 belongs to natural number such that 3 star 5, 3 such that 3 star 5 that is equal to LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5. What is the LCM of 3 and 5 is the 15. 15 also belonging to the N. Next, reverse order right on 5 star 3, 5 star 3, LCM of 5 and 3, 5 and 3 is the same LCM, that is the 15. Therefore, so belongs to N. A star B is equal to B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, commutative law is satisfied. Immediately write down. For all A belongs to N, B belongs to N, such that LCM of AB, LCM of AB is equal to AB. Next, LCM of BA is equal to AB. LCM of BA also AB. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. So star operation star is commutative. Operation star is commutative. Right, finish everyone. Example I will give. 3 star 5 LCM is the 15. 5 star 3 LCM also 15. That means 3 star 5 is equal to 3 star 5 is equal to 5 star 3. 3 star 5 is equal to 5 star 3. In the same way, I will write. In the same way, I will write. So statement is LCM of AB is the AB. LCM of BA also AB. So LCM of AB also, A and B also AB. LCM of A and B is a AB, and LCM of B and A also AB. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A is a commutative. Right. Sixth problem, second bit is completed. Third bit is a associative. Take everyone. Third bit associative. Three numbers we can take and write down the one example. True means write down the statement. Associative. So everyone see associative. Associative. Everyone see the associative. First take the example. Everyone, 2 belongs to natural number, 3 belongs to natural number, 7 belongs to natural number, such that 2 star bracket 3 star 7 is equal to, first write down its value, is equal to, first, so 2 star 3 star 7 LCM of 3 and 7, so that is equal to 2 star LCM of 3 and 7 is the 21. Again write down 2 star 21 is LCM of 2 and 21. What is the LCM of 2 and 21 is LCM of star is LCM of 2 numbers, LCM of 2 and 21. Its LCM is 42. Its LCM is 42. Now take 2 star 3 bracket star 7. Right. LCM of 2 and 3 star 7 LCM of 2 and 3 star 7. So I will write here is LCM 2 star 3 star 7, that is equal to LCM of 2 and 3 star 7. LCM of 2 and 3 the 6 star 7. 6 star 7 is LCM of star means LCM of 2 number 6 and 7. Its LCM is the 42. Therefore, both are equal. Both are equal. Everyone observe. Both are equal. Okay, na? So both are equal. Everyone observe. Both are equal. Now write down here is. So both are equal. So here is write down 2 star 3 star 7 of bracket is equal to 2 star 3 bracket star 7. So example is the associative law. Therefore, write down everyone's statement. So for all A belongs to N, B belongs to N, and C belongs to N, and C belongs to N. For all A belongs to N, B belongs to N, and C belongs to N. C belongs to N. Also, now we can see both is clear now, Vivek. Right, see. Now see, A star, B star, C, A star, B star, C is equal to bracket of A star, B star, C. Therefore, star is associative. Everyone write down. Example is compulsory. After example only, we write down this statement. Associative also clear. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Find the identity of a star, invertible of star. Next, fourth bit. identity, right? Fourth bit is identity. Everyone see, fourth bit is identity. Identity. What is the identity is? Everyone see. What is the identity is? A star, let A belongs to natural number. E is the identity symbol. E is the identity symbol. E belongs to natural number such that A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. So commutative law also applicable. Commutative law also applicable here. So A star E also A, E star A also. E is the symbol of identity. E is the symbol of identity. Identity symbol is E. Identity symbol is E. Somebody will write I. Okay, na? Somebody will write I. Now see. Star means LCM of A and E is equal to A. So LCM of A and E is the AE is equal to A. AA cancel, E is equal to 1. Here is A is equal to E LCM of E and A. LCM of E and A is EA cancel, E is equal to 1. By the left side or right side, we get E is equal to 1. Identity element is the unique. No question of two. Why I am doing the left and the right mean? It is the only unique. So total problem identity element is the unique. But inverse is not a unique. Every element have its own inverse. But identity, all elements have the same identity value. Everyone clear? Identity is clear, everyone? Here, one is the identity element, one belonging to the natural number. That is also belonging to the natural number. Yes. Right. Inverse, right or not? Fifth bit is inverse. Everyone see, fifth bit is inverse. What is the inverse is? Already here only we have inverse. What is the 2 inverse is? 1 by 2. 3 inverse is 1 by 3. Inverse is the reciprocal. So, but what is the symbol is? For all, A belongs to natural number, B belongs to natural number, such that A star B is equal to identity element is equal to B star A. So always, already commutative is proved. Always, okay na? Right, LCM of A star. So everyone observe LCM of A star. B is the inverse of A. B is the inverse of A. B is symbol of inverse of A. Inverse of A. B is the symbol of inverse of A. Everyone observe B is the symbol of inverse of A. Now see, star means, yeah, star, first left side I will find. So left side I will find A LCM of A and B, LCM of A and B is equal to E. Here is LCM of B and E is equal to LCM of B and A. Right. What is the LCM of AB? The AB to multiplication. Identity element is 1. Now only we find out. Therefore, B is equal to 1 by A. B is equal to 1 by A. Okay, now? Here is. So E is equal to LCM of B and A is the BA. E value is 1. Therefore, B is equal to 1 by A. Inverse is the, so A inverse is the 1 by A. B next B in. So any element have inverse is not a unique. Every element have its own inverse. But identity element is a unique. Total problem is the only one identity element. Now it is clear, everyone. Right. Everyone come to the seventh problem. Vanilla operation justify. Same problem. Seventh problem is the same. I give the seventh problem is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And A star B. A and B are the LCM of A and B. LCMs we can take. And it is a binary operation, not a binary operation. Now see, seventh problem is operation table is write down immediately. Operation table. Everyone write down. What is the operation table? Is a star set. Yes, set is given by set is. So I put the name G. What is the given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next star is the given. Operation is the star. Operation is the star. What is the star is defined by LCM of A star B is equal to LCM of two numbers A and B. Everyone write down the table. Fast write down the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Now everyone see fast. Right. 1, 1 LCM is 1, 1, 2 LCM is 2, 1, 3 LCM is 3, 1, 4 LCM is 4, 1, 5 LCM is 5. Okay, next. 2, 1 LCM is 2, 2, 2 LCM is 2, 2, 3 LCM is 6. 6 does not belong into the set. 6 fail. And 2 and 4 LCM is a 4. And 2, 5 LCM is a 10. 10 does not belong into the G set. And 6 also does not belong into the G set. Therefore, it is not a